Hello, guys. What is happening? What is going on today in your little world over there? In my little world, we are going to be looking at the chart, a system that I've actually been testing out for the last 8 months on my own trading account when I've had the time. And what I want to, before I actually dig into this, I need to go ahead and say that this is not financial advice in any sort of way at all. So don't take my advice, please. And, you know, just look at this as just a form of communication for me to, I'm just giving you what I do. This is what I do, and this is my own opinions, what I found that I think it works. Okay, good. Let's get that out of the way. Thank you very much for watching and listening to this video. Okay, so basically, about 10 months ago, I came across this article on BabyPips, and it's this catching system, and it's just a very simple technique that just uses the EMAs, a 5 EMA and a 10 EMA, and the RSI to basically signal for when you need to buy or sell when looking at the euro versus dollar. And the thing is that I've only tested this for the past 8 to 10 months on the euro dollar. So I honestly can't say, or I don't have any opinion on any of the other currencies. But euro versus dollar, I have found this system to be the pretty much, at least for me, 90% of the time it wins. And I have had a few times where it, it didn't win and it fell off. This is my test account, if you're wondering. And what I actually did was I programmed a program for TraderView, and I actually took this system right here, as explained in this article, which link is in the description. So I would recommend going and checking it out. But as explained in this article, you take the 5 EMA, you make it blue. You take the 10 EMA, you make it red. And basically, you buy when the 5 EMA crosses above the 10 from underneath, and the RSI crosses above the 50 mark. So all you're doing is using the RSI as just like a basis or a standpoint, essentially. And if it the thing is, you have to follow the rules. Like, you have to follow the rules, guys. You can't get emotional about it. You have to just, if you follow the system, then at least for me, it has worked beautifully. The times that I've lost were the times where it wasn't exactly like the system says. So, you have to do that. So for all I know, it works flawlessly, but obviously nothing works flawlessly in trading. There's always a chance. There's always that percentage of it losing in some area. Anywho, so basically, I wanted to make a quick video going over euro versus dollar. I don't really care about where it's going. On my phone, I use the, let's see, what is it called? MetaTrader, I think. Yeah, I use MetaTrader on my phone. I have this exact same system that is in here, in there, and I can just go on my phone. The thing is when I trade, I don't just put in a trade and then forget about it. I literally will watch the trade until I exit. So I know not everyone does that, and that's fine. But for me, I'm more concerned about losing my money than winning. So I would rather be able to get out when I can. So that's why I don't trade that much. But when I do, um, I make sure that I have a span of time that I'm going to be in it. So what you do is you go on the 1 hour chart here, on for euro versus dollar. You start out with the 1 hour chart. So we're gonna go to the 1 hour chart. So you start with 1 hour chart over here, and now you can see, look at this. The red is about to cross over, but look, the RSI is nowhere near there yet. So not that great, guys. We don't wanna trade that. So essentially, go to this article, and I've been testing this out with $100 So not that much, guys, not that much money, but um, I advanced that $100 to like $150. So that's a pretty decent return on $100 using this system in the last 8 months. That's not that bad. And then of course I took some losses because I got emotional, which you don't want to do, but we all do it sometimes. But anywho, so you just have to wait it out. Whatever strategy you are currently using, that's great. I just wanted to share this strategy with you because I personally have been using it for the last 8 months, and it has personally been working for me every time when the rules of the strategy are all met. Then I know that I can enter and it's a winner. But anyway, I created a program in TradingView to notify me when there is a trade active. I'm not done with it yet. It doesn't work fully, and again, I have not tested it fully yet, so I'm not going to share it with anyone yet until I've fully tested it and it's shown that it's pretty good. Um, so that's just that's the way that is. But anywho, um, so yeah. Uh, as you can see, this is my program working right here. Take profit, take profit. That's if I can figure out how to turn it on to make it automatic. But yeah, and then as you can see here, not look 72% profitable. That's what the program says. So it's like, okay, well, that's really cool. And look, it's only a $23 um, in losses. So it's like, okay, that's not bad at all. To be 72% right, that's a really good ratio. But um, yeah, okay. Anyway, so I just want to do that quick video. I wanted to really recommend this article. If you haven't already, go. I don't know, if you have some extra money or whatever, you want to play around because that's really the way I saw it, the way I do see trading. Although this strategy has been accurate pretty much every time, and I'm probably going to increase my trading the how much I'm actually playing with, just so I can see a little bit more gains, so my time is not is more worth it. But anywho, guys, I will see you guys later. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a great day. Please, if you're interested in trading, if you want to get into trading, don't just jump into this. Go watch some other YouTube videos on how to trade, on what trading is all about. This is for those who are used to trading in FX and who are just curious about different strategies like I am. And yeah, so takes dedication, takes a ton of discipline, and I would recommend if you are new, just play with $100 or whatever it is. The minimum on forex.com I think is like $50 or something like that is the minimum. So definitely want to dabble, get your little feet wet. There you go. Have a good one, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and have a fantastic day.